Hey there, drone fans. Rick here again from Drone Valley. And I'm back with day 2 in our 12 Days of Drone Valley Christmas giveaways. And boy, have I got an amazing prize for you today. Matter of fact, it's a doubler, which means we're giving away 2 of these to 2 different entries. And if you're not sure what a doubler is, I really like spending time in the bay, especially if I'm crabbing with my family. And if you've never gone crabbing, it starts off with a moss bunker, or maybe chicken, if you like chicken, Randy. But for me, a moss bunker is how you crab. Anyway, you got a moss bunker and a drop line. You put the moss bunker on the drop line, you throw it overboard, and then you wait a little bit, and you slowly pull that drop line up. And if you feel things moving down there, you know there's a crab on the line, but when you get it up close to the surface and you got your scoop net ready, and there's 2 crabs on the line, that's a doubler. Now this is a different kind of doubler, but essentially that's how it works. Anyway, how do Christmas trees get their email? Well, first they have to log on. On the second day of Christmas, Drone Valley gave to me a brand new Drone Valley wireless microphone kit. That's right, and we're giving 2 of them away. Now, what does this product do? Well, it was designed by the team here at Drone Valley. I'm pretty proud of this. And inside this little kit, you've got a microphone and you've got a receiver that has a USB-C connection on it, so you can plug this into pretty much any device to record audio that has a USB-C port on it, like your smart controller, your computer, an action camera, and then use that microphone to record your audio. Now, we're also including an adapter that turns the USB-C into an Apple connection, so if you've got an iPhone, an iPad, or some other Apple device you want to record audio on, this will work great for that as well. And we're giving 2 of them away. Now, the contest could not be simpler. Down below in the description, you'll see a link. If you hit that link, it'll ask for your email and your username on YouTube. Just pop those into the form. We get a copy of the form sent to us, and after 7 days, we'll randomly pull 2 winners out of there, and we'll send you an email saying, good news, you won the contest. We want to ship you the wireless microphone kit, and then just send us your address. We put it in a box and we ship it to you. We're not going to ask for shipping costs. There's no strings attached. I like to say there's no shenanigans. We just want to get these wireless microphone kits out to you, and we don't keep your emails. We're not one of those companies that's harvesting emails. We shred them the minute the contest is over. So make sure you get down there and enter that contest. Now, this is day 2. There's 10 more coming. I did one yesterday. You have to enter every day, and it's just to keep things equal, because if I let everybody enter once, we'd have a million emails. So enter today, enter yesterday, and make sure you pay attention to the next 10, because as cool as this is and as cool as the gift was yesterday, man, oh man, Shevitz, there's some amazing stuff coming. So you definitely want to tune into the channel to make sure you can enter those contests as well. And again, I just want to thank you for your support throughout the year. We're having a whole lot of fun with this channel, and it's the one time a year where I can lock myself in the studio and be as goofy as I want. I just have a whole lot of fun over this Christmas holiday, because quite honestly, it's the best time of year for me, because I get to see family and friends and relax a little bit, and it's just gorgeous. Anyway, I hope you guys are having a great holiday season, and until tomorrow, happy flying.